In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify insects in ChatGPT 2026 full guide. We'll start by creating a dedicated custom GPT so your identification workflow stays clean and repeatable. Open the sidebar, go to Explore GPTs, and click Create. You'll see a conversational builder by default, but switch over to the Configure tab. This view gives you precise control over the instruction field and capabilities, which is exactly what we need for consistent expert-grade identifications without cluttering your regular chats. Next, we'll give the assistant an entomology brain. In the instructions box, paste a professional framework that tells the model to act like a field entomologist and bug identification specialist. The structure should guide it to provide a primary identification with a common and scientific name, plus a confidence level, a clear breakdown of physical markers like colors, wing structures, and antennae, an overview of habitat and behavior, including distribution and seasonality, the ecological impact, so you know if it's beneficial, neutral, or a pest, and safety or management guidance for humans and the environment. This becomes the permanent playbook. The assistant follows every time. Now enable the tools that make this shine. Turn on web search and also turn on code interpreter and data analysis. With both enabled, the assistant can reference up-to-date registries and, when helpful, run lightweight analysis on image regions. To speed up use later, add a couple of simple conversation starters like identifying a bug from an uploaded garden photo or distinguishing a pollinator from a destructive beetle. These save you typing and nudge users toward the right prompts. Once you save and activate the profile, you're ready to analyze images. In the chat with your custom assistant, click the paperclip to upload your photos. You can add up to 20 files at once. While the uploads are processing, type context that narrows lookalikes. Include your region, the host plant or surface, time of day, and weather. That local metadata dramatically improves accuracy. Then send your message, and the assistant will combine visual cues with current references to produce the structured entomology report you define. If the first pass is uncertain because of glare, angles, or distance, stay in the same thread so the model keeps its memory. Ask it to focus on specific features like thorax markings, leg spacing, or a cropped wing pattern, and upload a closer image. Request a re-evaluation using that added perspective. If it generates distribution maps or charts in a code output, use the export option on that module to save them directly to your device. And that's it. By moving from ad hoc prompts to a dedicated custom GPT, you turn your camera roll into a precise, safe, and ecological field guide for everyday insect identification. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.